Hello my dear students, hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to ELGA-11 class. Students, as you know, in last workshop class we have completed up to day 8. So today we will cover up to day 11. So let's begin our class with first section phonics, in which we are going to learn about SION words. So when SION words come together, they are making sound shin, like permission, extension, admission, tension. So I'm going to read a small passage for you. Listen it very carefully. During my early years of education, I faced a lot of confusion. After my admission in grade 2, the confusion began. Addition and division were difficult to understand. I did not know what to do. Then my teacher, Miss Pooja, gave me a new direction. She taught me how to solve even the most difficult problems, and then all my tension was gone. So what we observe from here, when TION words and SION words come together, they are making a sound shun. So students, read the sound words like this where they are making shun sound. Next section is whole word section. So read the sentence here. Here we are having two sentences. First one is Riya's mother parks the car while picking up Riya from the park. So what is a common word in these sentence? Great. The highlighted word is common, that is parks. So what do you mean by this word? It means, first one, park means to bring an object to a pause and leave it at a particular place. Second, park means a public garden. So the highlighted words are spelled the same way, but they are having different meanings. So these two words are having same spelling, but their meanings are different. So students, there are some words which have same spellings and or have the same sound too. Might be in some cases they're having same sound. So that means they're having same spellings, but their meanings are different. So these kinds of words are known as homonyms. Those words which are having same spelling and different meanings are known as homonyms. Homo means the same and the nym means name. So it means same name. Again, homonyms means same name but different meaning. So in last class we have completed homophones and now we have completed homonyms. So let's learn through a Venn diagram. So what is different in these two and what is similar? Similar means in these two topics, similar thing is they're having different meanings. And in homonym, they may or may not have same sound, they're having same spelling. But in homophone, they're having same sound, but their meanings are different. So one more time I'll repeat it. Those words which are having same sound but different meaning, they are known as homophones. So those words which are having same sound but different meaning, again they are known as homophone. And those words which are having same spellings but different meaning, they are known as homonym. I hope these two are clear and they are not creating any kind of confusion. Let's switch next section, reading section, in which we are going to learn few new word meanings. First word is improve. That means make or become better. Next is challenging, which means difficult, hard. Next is affordable, which means not so much expensive, that we can say inexpensive. Last word is manure, which means waste matter from animals, which is used to help plants and crops grow. I hope these word meanings are clear to each and every student. Let's move toward another words. First is massive, which means very intense or so. Next is excess, that means more than necessary. That means we are having excess amount, more amount. Next is application, which means computer programs designed to help with something, like apps in short we can say. Next word is collected, which means to bring together. And last is power, which means ability to impact people. I hope these words meanings are clear. Next is social networking sites, which means these are the websites that help people to share their ideas, photos, news, and other interests with others. Like in our daily life, we are also sharing some pictures, some news, and some ideas with other. Like you're also doing the same. So, what can be the example? The example of social networking sites are WhatsApp, Viber, Instagram, which we are daily using. So, these are the few examples of social networking sites. Next section is grammar section. Here, everyone you are able to see two girls on your screen. One is quite happy and another is silently reading. So, the girl who is happy, her name is Ambreen, and another one is Priya. So, we can say Ambreen is reading more happily than Priya. So, the sentence is comparing two actions. So, when we are comparing two actions, we will use more. So, now one more girl is there. Her name is Nusrat. So, that means three girls we are having now. So, we can say Nusrat is reading most happily of all. So, when we are comparing between three or more than three, then we will use most. And when we are comparing between two, there we will use more. So we can say when we are talking about a single or in positive adverb, we can say Priya is reading happily. Next comparative, Amreen is reading more happily than Priya. And last superlative, we can say Nusrat is reading most happily of all. So this is all about our grammar section. I hope this is clear to everyone. So students, this is all about your today's class. Thank you so much.